Hello people, welcome back to another episode of Relating Me and You and Me through YouTube, and here I am with another video. And this video is actually continuation of another video which is a bridal look that I'm linking right here, and you can go and check that out. So that's a daytime bridal look and how you can recreate that simple bridal look, which is not actually simple but looks very glamorous, inspired by Padmavati. And now, this is conversion of that daytime look into a nighttime reception look. That was a proper wedding ceremony look, but this is more of a reception look, or any rather nighttime makeup look. It may be an engagement or anything like that, but I have particularly made this thinking of a reception look. And so you see how glittery and smoky my eyes are. So yeah, this look is what this video is all about, how you can transform your daytime look into a nighttime look without putting too much of efforts. So if you want to see how you can do that, let's just directly get into the video. Let's begin. I am going to start with this Maybelline gel eyeliner and an angled brush, taking generous amount of that eyeliner, and in this wing region that I already had from the previous look, I am going to create an outer V. So basically I am connecting this wing with my crease and creating a V from the end of the wing. So first I am creating that boundary and connecting my wing and the outer V, and then filling in that V with good generous amount of that gel eyeliner. Now you can use any black shade here. I am using an eyeliner because I know that this eyeliner stays on place, is smudge proof, and it's not going to budge anywhere. So it is very easy for me to work with this gel eyeliner. Now filling in that V and connecting it to my lower lash line, because I want everything to look as one. So when I'm connecting it to my lower lash line, it doesn't have to be very broad, very thin gentle line is what I'm aiming for. And then once I'm done with that, taking this Juvia's Place Zulu palette, I'm taking this really dark brown shade from here, chocolatey brown, dusting off the axis, and then blending out that edge of the eyeliner and connecting it all the way to the inner side. So this is basically going to be acting as my contour shade or a blending shade to the black, to smoke it out a little bit and make it look a little less harsh. So I'm taking this to and fro motions and little bit of circular motions to blend everything. And then I am going to clean my brow bone and the inner corner where I had golden highlights, because this dress is more silvery, so I'm going to have silver highlights there. So cleaning that off with a wet wipe, and then I am going to take a Fenty Beauty foundation which I've used for my face, and I am going to put it on the inner corner so that it doesn't look like the foundation is gone because you used wet wipes. So blending that with my finger, with the warmth of my finger, everything is going to blend like a dream. And then taking the Swiss Beauty palette, I'm going to take the silver highlight shade and highlight my brow bone like anything. You can see such bright highlight, right? So yeah, that is what I'm doing. And after I'm done with that, taking this NYX glitter primer on a flat brush. I'm taking a flat brush for this and applying it on my eyelid. My eyelid already has an orange shade, but the brown kind of blends that orange into a brown and looks really beautiful. And now taking this Inglot Body Sparkles, I'm taking that sparkles, it's silver again, and applying it all over my eyelid, and it looks like a dream. I mean, they sparkle like anything, especially when light reflects. They reflect light so beautifully. So yeah, give a nice layer of the sparkle, don't drag it or anything. So yeah, and then taking this Etude House eyeliner, in tier eye eyeliner I guess they said, and I'm applying it on below my brow bone because this is going to give a different kind of shine to my eyes. And then cleaning my lipstick, I am going to use this Absolute Matte by Lakme in the shade Shocking Pink. And this is how everything has turned out. You see, it is looking absolutely beautiful. The eyes are looking stunning and perfect for a reception look. And this jewelry by Oshri Accessories is giving it a very nice Indian touch to otherwise Western looking makeup. So yeah, this is also a very nice party look. And guys, this is how everything is looking. If you like this look, give it a big fat thumbs up, and if there is anything that you want me to make videos on, please drop it in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to do it. And please do not forget to subscribe. Until then, take care. Ta-da!